They are coming for me. They are coming for me. Help me. They are coming for me. You see, those guys are coming for me. Those are the dropshipper guys. Those are coming for me. The gangsters. Those are coming. They steal my products. Oh my gosh, what shall I do? You see, they are coming to me. They are coming to get me. Oh my gosh, help me. They are coming to get looking for me. They are looking for me. They want to find me. How are you doing in your dropshipping? Oh, how are you doing in your dropshipping? Did you find the products to dropship with a 100% profit? 100% profit. I'm talking about profit. If you sell product for $40 on eBay, can you source that product for $20? No, it's not possible, right? Okay. If you're selling product for $100, you sell product on eBay, can you find the same product to source for $50, $49, $50, $39? Well, come on, Andrew, that's not possible because nobody does those things, right? Have you ever seen somebody is doing dropshipping from the beach? I do. Yes, I do dropshipping from the beach because what I'm doing is, you see, here is my bag. You see, that's my bag. This one here, that's my bag, right? In that bag, there is a notebook, okay? What is on, okay, I can show you. Come on, baby, just wait a little bit. I can show you. That's my bag. Come on. I'm doing dropshipping from the beach. Because in this bag, I got a little notebook here. See, little notebook here. And I got the pen here. All right, so that pen and that notebook here, what I'm doing is I'm writing keywords here. I'm writing specific keywords, keyword combination. I'm not a software guy. I'm not an idiot who is following all sorts of stupid softwares because I know the people are thinking, the people out there who are gonna buy from me, they have brain, they thinking, and they will gonna type in a search engine something like, I need rust-free barbecue. Okay, those keywords I'm putting down here on the beach. When I come to the beach like now, I'm putting them down on my notebook here. Then I go home and I type those keywords what I found out, and I got a lot of keywords here. I got 5 to 10 keywords, selected keywords, and I use them for my listings. And that's how I separate myself from everybody else. Well, you can do whatever you want to do. I'm just sharing you my dropshipping from the beach. Why I'm working on the beach. Because probably you have seen those idiots sitting on the beach with the laptop. I don't know, I would never come with my laptop here because there is nothing to do with laptop. This is my laptop here. I'm coming with this is my laptop. Okay, I go home. I said, this is the way where I go, okay? This way here, you see? This way, go here, there, I go there, okay? And then I go home. And then I sit in my garden with my laptop, not on the beach. What the heck on the beach? Beach is beach. Notebook is fine. Get keywords down, go home, put them in a laptop, connect them to your title, connect them to your pictures, connect them to your description, put in an item specifics, okay? And put them on a Google. In a Google, you have to put your listings on a Google. If you put your listings on a Google, they will gonna be visible and sellable like this. You have to think Google, not only eBay, but you have to think Google. Do you think Google? Do you think Google? Do you even know how to put eBay listings on Google? Come on. You should know that. Okay, we talk later about this.